Good morning, children. We'll go for the next video. Today we can see the fourth sum. Just look at the fourth sum. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Look at the diagram. This is the zero level, that is sea level, right? So here this is the level that is above zero, means we will mark as a positive integer, and below sea level means we will mark as a negative integer. So they have asked you to find out the vertical distance, that is between how much distance we have. Distance above the sea level is plus 5,000 meter. Distance below the sea level, since this is below, so minus 1,200 meter. Therefore, the distance is 5,000, it is plus 5,000 meter minus of minus 1,200 meter. So obviously we are adding only here, that is 5,000 meter. This additive inverse we have to write, so plus 1,200 meter. Here obviously we are putting plus sign. So 5,000 plus 1,200 only it's coming. So 5,000 plus 1,200 is 6,200 meter. Fifth sum. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Obviously, you know, if withdrawal account is negative integer means deposited amount will come as a positive integer. Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. We'll do that sum in the same procedure as we did in the fourth sum. Mohan deposits. Deposits as usual, I already told you, it will come as a deposit means it will come as a positive integer. So, is plus 2,000 rupees, right? Now, Mohan withdraws. So, withdrawal amount will come as a negative integer. So, minus 1,642. Balance we have to see. So we have to see, simply if we want to see the balance means we will subtract 2,000 minus 1,642. That only here also we are going to do. When we see the balance, we are adding both deposits and withdrawal money. So 2,000 plus minus 1,642. Both we are adding. When we are adding, we are getting the answer as this is a positive integer and this is a negative integer. You know how to add positive integer and a negative integer. We will get the amount as we need to subtract both. So we will get the amount as 358. See, this is a positive integer, so this is a plus sign. So in his deposit, in his account, we have 358 rupees. So now we can go for the next sum. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? Obviously, you know, east is coming this side and west is coming this side. This is the midpoint A. So this is represented by a positive integer means when the moves towards the west side will represent as a negative integer only. Now, the next question is, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? distance from A to B towards B, that is A to B, is positive integer marked here already. So plus 20 kilometer, right? So distance from B2 in the same road to moving backward, that is moving towards west side. So that is represented by a negative integer 30 kilometer. Now final position we need to find out. So total distance which Rita traveled. So 20 kilometer plus 20 kilometer plus minus 30 kilometer. When we are adding, you know very well. So minus 10 kilometer you will be getting. So from the starting position, from the position A, it is minus 10 means completely towards the west side of A. So might be the Rita's place will be this, like this only. So this side, so it is given in minus 10. So west side of A it's coming. So position of Rita will be presented by a negative integer. Now we go for the next one. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. You will see here. See here, your magic square is here. I have done for you. So plus 5. We have to add sum only they have given. So plus 5 minus 1 minus 4. That is row 1. This is row 1. This is row 2. This is row 3. When we see here, this is column 1, column 2, column 3. Even diagonal also you have to check diagonal, you know very well. Right? So first one I will see plus 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 is equal to these two. Minus 1 plus minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Right? So the first one I have done for you. The next all the row 2, row 3 and column 1, column 2, column 3 and diagonally you have to check on your one. Now we go for the next one, 8th sum. Verify A minus minus B is equal to A plus B for the following values of A and B. The first sum, A is equal to 21 and B is equal to 18 they have given. Right? Now they have asked you to verify whether the given is correct or not. So always when we are verifying anything, first we have to find out the left hand side amount, then we have to find out the right hand side amount, then we have to verify left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Now I will do one sum for you people. So A is equal to 21, B is equal to 18. So left hand side they ask you to find out A minus minus B. So here A value we have to write 21, then minus, they say minus B. Here only B value they have given, but we have to find out minus this B value I have to write. Can you understand? So is equal to 21. This additive inverse is plus 18 and here also plus sign. So is equal to 21 plus 10 is 31, 39 plus 39. Right? Now we can find out right hand side value. Right hand side is given as A plus B. So A value is 21 plus B value is 18 is equal to 21 plus 10 is 31 plus 8 is 39. So here we are getting left hand side is 39 and right hand side is 39. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, A minus minus B is equal to A plus B. It is verified. Verified. Can you understand? This is the same way you have to try the other three sums also. Now we go for the next one. Use the sign of greater than, smaller than, equal to. So here A value is 21 and B value is 18. So are equal to in the box to make the statement true. A sum is given -8 plus -4. The box is given. You have to find out the answer. -8 minus of -4. Now here also only one sum I am doing for you. Other sum you have to try out. Left hand side you have to find out. At the same time you have to find out the right hand side also. Then you have to compare left hand side and right hand side, which is greater or which is equal to. Right? So left hand side is given as -8 plus -4. Both are negative integers, so you can add as it is. So -12 is the answer. Left hand side you got -12. Now right hand side is -8 minus -4. There here subtraction. So you know very well, -8 you write as it is. -4 you can write as a +4. And here also you have to change the sign. Now you know very well how to add. -8 plus +4 is -4. You know very well addition of integers. So now we can compare the left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side you got as -12 and right hand side you got as -4. You know which is bigger. In integer, which is bigger? -4 is bigger than -12. So you have to write -12 is smaller than -4. Am I right? So your left hand side only your -12. Left hand side is smaller than your right hand side. So the sum is given as -8 plus -4. This is the box given. So you found out already. -8 minus -4. So you need to write the answer here as a smaller than sign. So -8 plus -4 is smaller than -8 minus of -4. Now I will move for the 10th sum. Now I will move for the 10th sum. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. The question is, he jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Now, I have done a number line for you. This is the first step, second step, like this. Here 9th step. So, moving forward always I will take as a positive integer. So, +3. Moving backward is -2 steps. So, +3 -2. So, from the first step, 3 steps he is moving forward. So, 1, 2, 3. So that here it is coming. Is it clear? So, it is reaching 4th step. Now, from here, moving backward. 2 steps moving backward. So, 1, 2. So, it is going to 2nd step. Again, it is coming 3 jumps forward. So, 1, 2, 3. It is reaching 5th. From 2 to 5th step, it is reaching. 2 steps, it is going backward. So, again 1, 2. So, here again it reaches 3, 3rd step. Like this, it is going. So, from which jump it is reaching the 9th step, we have to find out. So, in this way, if you calculate means you will be getting confused. So, we can go for the theoretical method. So, monkey is on the first step. Moving forward, I am taken as +3. Moving backward is -2. It's given. Right? So, now, after first jump, the position of the monkey. From the first step, it is moving 3 steps forward. So, is equal to 4. Fourth step it will be. After second jump, so from fourth step you have to start. Fourth step, it is moving backward. Backward means minus 2. So plus minus 2 is equal to 2. So as I told you in the number line, it is again in the step 2. Now after third jump from 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Fifth step. After fourth jump, 5 plus minus 2, it will be again is 3. Third step. After fifth jump, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then again 6 plus minus 2 is equal to 4. Again till you reach number 9 you have to move. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now 7 plus minus 2 is equal to 5. Again 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus minus 2 is equal to 6. And again in the 11th jump, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So that you can stop. It reaches 9th step. At the jump of 11. So the monkey reaches the water level at the 11th jump. Hope you all understood. Second subdivision. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Here, it's moving up. Moving up is going back side, that is minus 4 I have taken. Moving down is plus 2. Right? In the same way we have to do the sum. So initially the monkey is in 9th step. After first jump, 9 plus minus 4 is equal to 5th step. That is 5. So 5th step. After second jump, 5 plus 2. So 7th step. And as usual, same way, 7 plus minus 4, third step. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, after fifth jump, 5 plus minus 4 is equal to 1. So it reaches first step in the fifth jump. It reaches the first step in the fifth jump. Is it clear for you? If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. So A is given minus 3 plus 2 and minus, the same way you have to go. So till you get minus 8. The B sum 4 minus 2 plus, the same way you have to go till you get 8. So minus 3 plus 2. So that you will be getting for this itself minus 1 will be there. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Right? Again plus minus 3 plus 2. Right? So you will be getting here again minus 1. So plus minus 3 plus 2. So minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2. So minus 1. plus minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 is minus 5 plus minus 3. So you'll be getting minus 5, that is minus 5 plus minus 3 is equal to, you will be getting minus 8. So this all is not necessary, for your understanding purpose I explained to you. Is it clear? So minus 3 plus 2 plus 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 minus 3 is equal to minus 8 you will be getting. Now we sum the same manner. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is plus 2. So plus 2. Again plus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is plus 2. So this is plus 2, this is plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then again plus 4. Then one more thing is you will be getting 8. So this is for your understanding purpose I told you. Otherwise also you can add and see. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12. Then plus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus minus 2 is minus 4. So that you will be getting this 8. So this manner you will be getting the answer 8. Hope you all understood. Next we can go for the properties of addition and subtraction in the next video.